Guys, it's time for a little bit of swiping. And today we're going to be swiping Kosås. Kosås is like an all-natural line that I came across, and I just want to show you that they have these really beautiful colors. So let's go through them, shall we? We shall. First we have Rosewater. Ooh, this sounds like something I'm going to like. They're super light, I just should tell you that. Very light. Rosewater. That's a keeper. Next we have Undone. I've come undone. Oh. Undone. Next we have Thrillist. It's the illest of the Thrillist. Oh yes, Thrillist. Super. Pop-Tart. Thrillist. Next we have Darkroom. Whoa. Darkroom. Darkroom. Ooh, girl, ooh. So in order for you, so we've done all these, Leni, so in order for you to do one, I want you to read it. Leni's reading now.
I think I'm gonna do Electra.
Oh, Electra. Here's a mirror, boo.
130 Electra is a very large outer main belt asteroid.
We're being spied upon. Do you want me to help you?
Yes, please.
Let me see. Should I be twinsies with you? That looks pretty.
Yeah.
Mush it together like this. You gotta go mushy. Yeah. This is Electra, not to be accused with...
Can I be a partner for trying lipsticks?
Aquarius. Aquaria. This is pretty. Electra. Give to the camera, like, give like face, like RuPaul.
I want to try on this Royal.
So now Leni's gonna try Royal, and I'm gonna try Stardust. Good job, Leni. She learns quick. Stardust. What do you got on?
Royal.
Oh, wait, you gotta make sure. Oh. So 101, before, this is for all the kids at home. Whenever you're doing a lipstick, you wanna have it go down.
Oh.
Yeah, let me see Royal. Looks beautiful.
Here comes the boy.
For the last color, Fringe. Come here, Simon, you wanna try on a lipstick? The last color is Fringe.
Can't see Fringe.
Let's do it, Mommy.
I'm gonna do it, buddy. Okay, we gotta dry the lips.
Fringe sounds like cringe.
Some people might cringe, but I say lipstick is for everyone. And Simon always likes a little on his nose and a little up here, right, bud? So we are all wearing Kosås. We're feeling it. That's a pretty color.
We love Kosås.
The thing is, I don't have to worry about this brand being bad for my kids because it's all natural. And that's makeup remover. And they're not paying us, but we had a lot of fun. Did we like doing this? Simon, could you ever sit anywhere without touching anything?
Yeah.
Wait, this is Fringe.
What? Fringe? Yeah.
And this was the makeup and glue.
Sure. Everybody say goodbye. Say subscribe.
Bye. Subscribe to Jamie Makeup and Leni Live.
And Leni Live.
And baby makeup.
And baby makeup. Bye.